Hello everyone, this is Adarsh. Today I am going to demonstrate how to get the latest file from the directory. So let's get started. For that, here I have created one folder. Let me open it. As you can see, there are two files over here, text files. One file is created on 2nd October and another file is created on 3rd October. When I compare the date of these files with the present date, I can say there is no latest file in this folder, right? Because it is not matching with my present date. So let me create one file. Let me give this name as a updated file. Sorry. Okay. And let me type some text in this. This is my updated file. Okay, let me save this thing. So here I will create one process so that my bot will get into this directory and it will check for the latest file, and it should display me the message with this text. So let's create the process. Let me open the studio. Yeah, so let me take one assign activity. Drop down. So first of all, I need the folder path. For that, I will create one variable. Control K. str, I will give the name as str folder path. Right. So I just need the folder path, right? So let me get into properties. Yeah, this is the location of the file or the path. Let me copy and paste it over here. So don't forget to write the name of the folder. Here it is Remo, and make sure to be placed in a double quote, between double quote. Yeah. And I will take another assign activity. So I will create one variable str latest file info. So I just need the information of the latest file, means path of the latest file. For that, I will just use vb.net expression. So let's start it. Directory dot get files. You can see, yeah. Here in these brackets, I need to provide the file path, that is str folder path, comma, and I need to pick all the files. For that, it should be in double quote. For all the files, I will use asterisk, and the type of the file is txt. So this will returns me the collection of files as a strings or array of strings or a list of strings. So after that, I will use another property like order by descending order. And I will create one function with the parameter a, and I just need the information of the files based on date and time, with date and time. So for that, new file info, the parameter a. I will use this property creation time. This will returns me the information of files with time and date. So in this expression I am returning the collection of files in terms of date and time, and I am sorting it in a descending order based on the date, so that the first file obviously be the latest file, and the second file obviously be the yesterday's file in a descending order, right? The third file should be the day before yesterday's file. So in this collection I need to pick the first file, that is the latest file, right? Wait a second, dot first, right? So I just here it will returns me the file path of the latest file, so I need to get into that file and read the text. For that I will use read text file. I should provide the file path, that is str latest file info, and whatever the text it's there I will assign it to the variable str out. Okay, and I will use a message box. And I should display the text str out. No, it's fine. So let's run this file. So this is the text, this is my updated file. So my bot has entered into the directory and it is sorted out in a descending order based on the date, and I took the from that order I have taken the first file, that is the latest file. I have entered into the latest file and displays this message Okay, so there is one challenge over here. What if my latest file is not present in the directory? Suppose delete it, so there is no latest file over here. So let me delete the okay, let it be. Yeah, if I run this file, what my bot will do, let's run this. So it's displaying the some message like this is the new file 1. What was that? So it's taking this file as a latest file when compared to other files. But our intention is the latest file should match with the latest present date, right? So this is wrong. It's displaying the message in the file. This is the file. Okay, so how can I avoid this mistake? For that I need to compare my file with the present date. So let me change this process. Let me delete this thing. So in this I will pick if activity. So if my latest file info time should match with the today's time, then I need to get into that file, right? So here is the condition for that. File dot get creation time of the latest file info, str latest file info. I just need only the date of that file. Okay. It should be equal to the date of my present date right now, but this expression date now will gives me the date and time, but I don't want any time. I just only the date. So again I will print date. Yeah. So if my today's date matches with the file information date, it should enter into that file and display that message. Or you can say I will use the message box. Your directory got an updated file, else you don't have an updated file. Okay, let me save this thing. Before that I need to check my, so there is no latest file, right? So my bot should display the message like you don't have an updated file in the directory. So let's run this thing. Before that I need to close this thing. Yeah. Run file. See, you don't have an updated file in directory. Okay, let me create one updated latest file. New text latest. Let me give some text. Okay, save this thing. Yeah, now bot should gives me the message as your directory got an updated file, right? Yeah, let me run this file. Your directory got an updated file. So in this way you can get files, and this thing is very useful in many use cases. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe for getting more informative videos. Thank you.